everything might not be 100%. Actually, I guess it would be straightforward. You'd be able to see us going like this, but you'd be catching all the errors along the way. I'll have to think that one through. That might actually work. Figure it out, find a way. Well, I can say this. To update the 407 now is a little bit easier. There are two things you have to plug in, a couple switches you have to flip, and you can do that inside a different bootloader that we have available. To do the hotheads is going to be the same way as I understand it today. To flash the firmware on the hotheads is going to be roughly about the same way that you're able to do it today, which is make sure the head's in there and select the particular firmware that you want, and it'll update. The reset button by itself, yeah, is going to be there. You may have to press that in, or you may have to do disconnect, reconnect inside of HYREL, and you'll be good from there. So, and yeah. All in all, I think the entire update process for the firmware is going to take you maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, which is pretty fast. And then for the software update, that actually goes pretty fast too. So yeah, so that's where we are as of right now today. All right, guys. Yeah. So unless anybody has any other questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to us at hyrel3d@gmail.com, and we'll answer all questions that we can moving forward. And Elysian, I will get on the horn with you right after this broadcast, and via email, and I will set up a time with you to update your machine and get you as close to up and running as possible with getting it. When I say close to up and running as possible, I mean without the latest firmware and software that I've got a copy of. That does not currently work with the hotheads, which is what Carl's been working on. I'll give you everything else, which will get you something that is functional, that will work, that will get you to print, including the new recipes. So, good. And as for everybody else, I'll be doing the same thing as best as I can. Just realize that for the next couple of days, I'm going to be somewhat out of pocket in order to get that manual to you guys, so that moving forward, we'll be able to move forward in a much faster and much more logical way. So, yeah, I think that's just about it. I'm going to go back to printing tonight, and yeah. So if you guys are going to be printing with the SainSmart White, you're going to be just fine. The SainSmart Black also does work, strangely enough, with the same settings. I was kind of shocked and surprised by that because of what all the feedback we've been getting from people. And it might just be that we're a lot warmer where we currently are. And you may have to turn up the heat or turn down the heat depending upon if it's hotter or colder than Atlanta. That's about it. So So until next time, which is going to be probably this coming Sunday, Carl should be returning from his trip. The rest of us should have 6 less machines here, which is good. And yeah, I look forward to the next broadcast. And I also look forward to very soon in the future giving you guys even more. So, yeah, we'll continue to move forward. So, but thank you very much, guys, for joining me tonight. And we'll just end it there. And yeah, we will see you this coming Sunday. All right, guys. Good night.